up, everyone? Truckers, future truckers, and non-truckers, how you doing today? I just want to make this video mostly dedicated to owner-operators, especially the ones that you had to get rid of your trucks, sell your trucks, park your trucks, become company drivers, get out of the industry because of this freaking freight recession, trucking recession 2023. Man, it has been a roller coaster this whole year, up and down, good weeks, good days, bad months, just a whole bad year. Pretty much, it's been more than a year, just a recession, man, and we're all struggling out here. Everybody's struggling. But as you can read in the title, this is going to be about side hustles. And as you guys know, I started this YouTube channel as a side hustle. Trucking just really took a dump. It took a turn for the worse, which I had no idea was ever going to happen. So it's definitely a humbling experience. But I started my YouTube channel in hopes of one day being able to make some type of income outside of trucking, because trucking is just not cutting it right now. I mean, I'm able to get by. I'm not to the point of where I have to sell my trucks or close down my business yet anyways, and I hope it doesn't come down to that. But I know a lot of us out there, we had to do that already. I know I have colleagues, I got homies, other port drivers, other owner operators that it didn't make sense for them to continue on, to keep on losing money in this trucking industry. But anyways, not only am I doing YouTube, I'm like full-blown trying out all the different social medias: Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook. But I'm mostly putting my focus in Instagram and TikTok. Now, one thing with TikTok, which is really cool, is you could be an affiliate marketer, and to be able to be an affiliate for TikTok is you got to have 10,000 followers. But if you have an EIN number, which if you're an owner operator, you probably already do, you can sign up for a TikTok seller account with your EIN number, with your company name, and then go apply to be an affiliate marketer on TikTok, and you'll qualify automatically because you're a TikTok seller. So I actually found that out by watching a TikTok video.
Here's how you become a TikTok shop affiliate without having 5,000 followers, because that is what the limit is. And I'm about to put you on game. Hold on, let me show you. Tap the three lines in the upper right, and it's going to bring up your creator center. Tap that. Now, if you go to the TikTok creators, you can see that you need 5,000 followers, so we're not going to use it that way. But you're going to choose the TikTok shop for sellers. Go ahead and sign up with your email or phone number or TikTok account. And basically it's saying they're going to review your account, so you want to just go ahead and click get started. Okay, here's the part. Here's all the different ways you can sign up. Now, if you don't have a business, you can just sign up as an individual. Here are the requirements. Go ahead and screenshot that. And once you're approved, you can come back into your TikTok shop for creator. And then now you're able to go in and open up the product marketplace. And here you can see how much you would earn from each product when someone buys from your post. So we can add one of the products, and this will go in your showcase. Then when you go to post, you hit products and more, product, and then you'll have the products that you added. Add that to your post, and then you post, and that link will be there for people to buy. Follow me, save this for later, and if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, because there's so many different ways, comment yes, and I'll send you my guide.
If you have an EIN number already, you can use that EIN number to create your TikTok seller account. Once you create the seller account, then you apply for the affiliate program, and then boom, it's like you're automatically qualified just because you're a TikTok seller. And I don't have any products to sell personally. I just have a trucking company. But I was able to make the seller account just because I have a company and an EIN number. So as soon as you get qualified as an affiliate on TikTok, they give you a bonus where they'll send you just one product, but they'll send it to you for free. And it'll be like off of a list that they have already, and you could choose anything on that list. They'll send it to you, mail it to your house, you get it, and they give you 30 days to make your first affiliate TikTok video. And anybody that clicks on your link on that video and they buy something, you'll get a commission. So I did it. My first thing that I ordered, my only thing that I ordered, which was the free bonus gift for qualifying to be an affiliate on TikTok, was the 622 MagSafe power bank by Anchor. And I did a video, just like a 1-minute video, just pretty much showing like, hey, I got this on TikTok. It's a power bank. It's perfect for when I forget to charge my phone. I just slap it on my phone and it charges my phone.
Check out this new power bank that I got on TikTok. It's by Anchor. I love that it's super sleek and slim. Feels really nice. Made of really good material. It has a really strong magnet. Man, I'm trying my hardest to make this thing fall, but it's not falling. That's how strong the magnet is. But yeah, it's got pass-through charging, so you could be charging the power bank while your phone's connected, and your phone will be charging the whole time. And then it's got the indicator lights to let you know how much charge the power bank has left. And my favorite part is it works as a kickstand. And then you could also put it horizontal, so you can watch movies, or you could even have a clock displayed, just like that. So yeah, it really comes in handy when I forget to charge my phone. I could just slap this thing on there. Go ahead and get yourself one. Click on that link below.
Anyways, I did that last week, and at this point now, 1 week later, I've gotten about 6,000 views on that video, and I've made 14 sales so far. And the product sells for 40 bucks, and then I get $4 commission, so it's pretty much 10% commission. So I think that's pretty cool. I mean, it's a start. It's nothing great. You're not gonna get rich overnight. It's not a get rich quick scheme or nothing like that. You're literally starting a side hustle, legitimate business on TikTok. But yeah, go ahead and check it out, man. I recommend it. You know, it's hard right now for us truckers, for us owner operators. It's just, man, we're working day and night, doing everything that we can, and sometimes it's just not enough. It's just not enough. So we got to come up with other ways, man, just to try to come up with a revenue outside of trucking, you know, secondary revenue, just whatever we can. We got to hustle. We got to survive. We got to survive. But anyways, yeah, I did TikTok. I got the Amazon affiliate program, which anybody could do Amazon affiliates also. It's harder to be an Amazon influencer because you got to have a big following on one of the social medias. But I think anybody could be an affiliate. I think I signed up with my YouTube account, which has very little followers. I did it when I had only like, I don't know, maybe 100 subscribers on my YouTube account, and then I used my Facebook and my Instagram. But yeah, man, just whatever you can do to make extra money outside of trucking, just stay hustling, keep on grinding, don't give up. Trucking's gonna come back. It's not a matter of if, but a matter of when. You know, once the market flips again, when there's more loads than trucks, then of course the rates are gonna go up and we're gonna be consistent again, finally. But when is that gonna happen? I have no idea. Seems like nobody on YouTube, nobody in the news media, like just nobody out there has any idea when the trucking industry is gonna come back. But it is what it is. We're here, we're breathing, we're still alive, which means we still have potential to get out there and do whatever it takes to bring in some revenue, bring in some money, bring in some income from whatever source that we can. But anyways, I want to ask all of you owner operators or former owner operators, like the ones that you had to sell your trucks, you had to park your truck, become a company driver, or go into a completely new industry, I want to know, what are you doing now? Is it working for you? And can you please share down below in the comments? You know, I'm hoping that we could just help each other out. You know, we could try different things outside of trucking, whatever's working, whatever's not working. Let's have a discussion down below in the comments. But anyways, yeah, I just wanted to share a little bit of what's going on with me. I haven't really did any videos in a minute. It's been rough, man. I'm trying to figure out a way that I could just upload videos off the top and not have to spend 5 to 10 hours editing a video, and then it takes me like 2 weeks to finally upload the video on YouTube. So, you know, it's rough, man. It's really hard doing YouTube videos while being a truck driver and trying to find spare time to edit my videos. But I mean, there's no excuse. I put all the blame on myself, and I just got to get back on it. I got to stay motivated, and I just have to keep that hustle mindset mentality, you know. But anyways, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe, that bell icon, and go ahead and share this video with somebody that you know is a truck driver or somebody that likes trucking videos. All right, well, hope you all have a nice day, and I'll see you on the next one.